Hi, good day. Today we're going to make one small tutorial about how you can increase your monthly viewer using the single strategy to post 2 or 3 pins out of Pinterest into Pinterest. And this is the secret of how you can increase your monthly viewers and the traffic to your website. You have to make some good pins using Canva, using Pixelmatic, Pixabay, the place that you want to use for make the design of the pins. And then you want to put a good content. You want to put the link for your website. That is the strategy that you can use to improve in your Pinterest account. And this is that I am using for a long time, and I made the one tutorial the 31st of October, and at this time I only have 9 monthly viewers and 470 followers. And at this time, today is the 18th of November 2018, and you can see I had 2,500 monthly viewers. And my followers, I had 4,790 followers. And the strategy that I use is follow. You're going to start following every 2 or 3 hours 100 and 150 persons that are working in your niche. For example, I use make money online, make money blogging, make money traveling, affiliated marketing, and make money from home. But I am using that style of the hairstyle, the short hairstyle, the makeup, men's fashion, women's fashion, as you can see, and using some healthy recipes that the people are looking every day in Pinterest. The makeup, as you can see, that models, the pets, receipt cards, travel planning and tips, cocktails, the different part of your home. See, this is a bedroom, bathrooms. I have living room, kitchen. I have everything that the people like and are looking every day in the Pinterest search engine. You can see there's so many pin in that board, and I designed these two using Canva. And you can see I had 78 viewer, 1 repin. This had 19. I had this board on men fashions, as you can see. And how you can make money with that board. If, for example, you went to Amazon, you get some men's suit, you get your link, affiliation link, and you put your link in the description of the board that you that you make with that. In woman fashion, you can make the same. But to Amazon, you take some clothes for ladies, some shoes, and you make the pin. You put the description, and you put your Amazon affiliation link in the. When the person may click in your pins, you make the redirection for your account. And when the person buy the product on Amazon, you get the commission that Amazon pays for that. You see one example of the lady fashion. Here is some board that have the Amazon link. For example, this that I create have 46 viewers. This had 18, 33. Let me see if I can find any that I've made with the affiliation link of Amazon. For example, one that I made yesterday. For example, this pin that lady with using that dress. You can see it, Amazon Fashion US had 40,000 followers. I made this pin, and when the person clicked, make the redirection for my Amazon. You can see. Just have my affiliation link, and when the person buy that dress, I get the commission that Amazon pay for that offer. And that's it. You can make some money using Pinterest and using the affiliation program from Amazon. I want to check my analytics. When I made the first video, I only had 9 monthly viewers, but today you can check had 1,870 and 798 daily viewers. But for my next week, Pinterest is going to make that amount I have now in my board. You can see about 6,270 viewers. This is only in 2 weeks I'm working on Pinterest, making 2 or 3 boards out from Pinterest into Pinterest. And using Canva, using Prixmatic, Pixabay to make that things. Using Amazon Association Pro or Affiliation Pro. And you can see your dream car had 1,120 impressions. You can see the order that you have from the other pins. In the next video, I'm going to make the confirmation of my website, because I made yesterday I put in my website the data that Pinterest gives me, but it takes 24 to 48 hours to make the confirmation. Also, I only would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel to see the next tutorial that I'm going to make, or how you can improve your Pinterest account, your followers, your monthly viewers, and your traffic to your website, and how you can generate some income from Amazon, from different affiliation programs, from Pinterest. That's it. Have a good day. God bless you.